Hi, Martin again for Let's Talk About Wood. And today we are going to talk about how to sand with the CNC. Following up my last video about the sanding my project at the CNC, I've received many times the question about, hey, can the CNC do the sanding for you? I don't know. Let's try. So I created a small project to do a small pocket, exactly the same way I always do. And I also added a step in order to do the sanding with the CNC. Here is how I did it in Carbide Create. Naturally, this will be a very easy project. So I created a small box. And now for the tool path, I'm creating my rough pass with the round bit. I will go only 3 millimeter width, large, and 2 millimeter down. So that will be my rough path. Next one will be the final one, where I will remove only 0.2 millimeter. So the step over is only 1 millimeter, and I'm going down for whatever. Anyway, I'm going to say only 0.2 millimeter anyway. So that's the final pad. Then I need to create, because it does not exist, a bit for sanding. Instead of creating a bit, I will use the McFly, which is exactly the same width, which is 1 inch. The step over will be 5 millimeter, and I will go down only for 0.2. In fact, oh, by the way, RPM 8000 maximum. The sandpaper does not support faster than that. For the depth, it will be only 0.1 millimeter, at least from 2.2 to 2.3, for touching at minimum, touching the piece of wood. For the simulation, you will see that it will go around it. Now let's run it. This is the first pass where it's removing at least 3 millimeter large, and we can see some mark. The next pass is the one that a little bit what I call the final, where I remove only 1 millimeter at a time, with 1 millimeter large, the step over. And as you can see, the result is absolutely not perfect. Now let's sand. It's going a little bit faster than what it was really, but as the thing you don't see over here is the sanding dust, but I can tell you it is sanding. Next step, you will see that now we see the dust, okay? It's removing stuff, but as you can see also, it's touching the side because it's not exactly the same form. Let's remove the dust, and we see the color is, yeah, not clean. As you can see, it worked. In fact, it did sanding. Was it great? Absolutely not. I can see over here that it's not final, it's not completely done. Honestly, and it's also a little bit dangerous, I would say, for my project, because it's not exactly the same size as the pocket that was done. The paper could leave because it's only Velcro, and then I will do sanding with the Velcro. Not very good, not very long. So I prefer to continue to use my small sander in order to do that sanding a lot faster, and I can check how it's going, because see, that's the paper after one pass. If I go too far, the paper will absolutely not be good for a long time. So I prefer to do my sanding with my regular sander. That's my preference. Is it possible to do it correctly? I saw some video with people with a 5-inch sandpaper, and it worked, but it was a flat surface that they did sanding on it. Maybe it's working for that. For me, it's not exactly that. If you have a way to do it, please write it down in the comment and tell me how you do your sanding with the CNC directly. Hope you're appreciated. Thank you.